Hello, my name is Kiarash, and this is my automatic plant watering system using MATLAB and Arduino. The system using a soil moisture sensor to measure the water level in the soil. The sensor outputs a voltage so the MATLAB can read it and demonstrate the graphs to us. Here we can take a short look at my code, which I sent, and here are my components here, my Arduino board, the MOSFET module, my battery, which is working, my plant, and my sensor, which is inserted into the soil to detect whether it's wet or dry. And here is my pump in the water, but not completely right now. And here we can see that when we run the code, it just takes few seconds. Um, yeah, we can see the graph and the numbers in the command window are changing. First one is voltage, moisture, and the state, which is waiting right now because the pump is not working. And my soil is a little bit wet, so that's why the graph is near the wet threshold. And the reason why it's oscillating is that water goes down in soil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring up the sensor at the right time, so the pump will work only for 5 seconds. Uh, the reason why I did that because my soil is wet, so I just bring it up and the sensor detects that it's not wet anymore at the right time, and the pumps are working. And as we can see on the screen, the system shows moisture and it drops uh, when I bring the sensor up, and when the pump work, uh, it goes above the dry threshold again, and because the sensor was in touch with the water. And here we can see that again we have some oscillations here, and we should wait until like for 60 seconds to system do the operation again. As you can see, because the sensor level was around the wet threshold, detect that it's not wet enough, so the pump work and transfer water to the plant. So we can see that because the sensor is completely in the water, uh, it goes at the highest level. And I'm gonna show that it works, so I'm gonna just bring it up here, and we can see that the graph just dropped a little bit. And overall, it demonstrates a reliable performance using real-time data, state machine logic, and hardware integration. Thank you.